When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, one of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make is replacing your front door. A new door not only offers better security and insulation but also provides an immediate facelift to your home's exterior. If you're in Birmingham and considering giving your property a fresh look, installing a stylish new door could be the perfect way to increase both its beauty and value. Here's why updating your door should be your next home improvement project. Why a new door matters. First impressions count, and your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It's the first thing guests and potential buyers notice, and it plays a crucial role in how your home is perceived. A well-chosen door can set the tone for the entire property, creating a welcoming atmosphere and leaving a lasting impression. Birmingham, with its mix of modern and traditional homes, offers a wide variety of styles and materials for doors. Whether you're in a classic Victorian house, a sleek modern townhouse, or a cozy cottage, there's a door that will complement your home's unique character. A new front door can be tailored to reflect your personal style while boosting your home's overall curb appeal. Materials that stand out. When it comes to choosing the perfect door, the material you select can have a significant impact on both aesthetics and functionality. The most popular materials for front doors include wood, a timeless choice. Wooden doors offer a classic, natural look that adds warmth and charm to any home. They are incredibly versatile, available in a variety of finishes, and can be customized with intricate designs or carvings. UPVC. A cost-effective and energy-efficient option, UPVC doors provide excellent insulation and security. They require minimal maintenance and are available in a range of colors and finishes to suit different styles. Composite. Made from a combination of materials like wood, plastic, and metal, composite doors are incredibly durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. These doors offer the best of both worlds, the look of wood with the strength and insulation properties of modern materials. Aluminum. For a sleek, modern appearance, aluminum doors are a great choice. They are highly durable, resistant to corrosion, and available in contemporary finishes like matte and gloss. Choosing the right material for your door can depend on various factors, including the climate in Birmingham, your home's architectural style, and your budget. A local expert can help you decide which material will best suit your needs. Style choices to match your home. Your front door should complement the style of your home, so whether you're looking for something traditional or contemporary, there's a style to match. In Birmingham, you'll find a range of options, including traditional doors. If you live in a period property, a traditional wooden door with ornate glass panels or a classic design could be the perfect choice. Consider adding leaded glass or period-style hardware to maintain the home's authentic charm. Contemporary doors. For a modern twist, opt for clean lines and minimalist design. A sleek aluminum or composite door with large glass panels can give your home a sophisticated and contemporary look. Glass and panels. If you want to make your front entrance feel more open and inviting, consider a door with large glass sections. Whether clear or frosted, glass inserts let in more natural light and offer a view of your home's interior. Color. While white, gray, and brown are popular door colors, don't be afraid to experiment. A bold, striking color like navy blue, dark green, or even red can create a beautiful contrast and make your door stand out. Increased value and security. A new front door isn't just about aesthetics, it can also offer practical benefits. A high-quality door improves your home's security, providing better locks, reinforced frames, and stronger materials. Additionally, a new door enhances insulation, reducing heat loss and keeping your home more energy efficient. In a city like Birmingham, where the weather can be unpredictable, upgrading your door to one that is well insulated will help reduce heating costs while keeping you comfortable year-round. Moreover, a beautiful new door can increase the market value of your home. Should you decide to sell, potential buyers will be impressed with a home that looks well maintained and inviting. The curb appeal created by a new door could lead to quicker sales or higher offers. Final thoughts. Upgrading your front door is a relatively simple project that can deliver huge returns in terms of curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. If you're in Birmingham and looking to refresh your home, consider investing in a stylish new door that suits your personal taste and enhances your home's overall appearance. With the variety of materials and designs available, you can easily find the perfect door to elevate your home's first impression and give it a fresh, welcoming look. Don't underestimate the power of a door. Sometimes, all it takes is a new entrance to transform your home.